Are you seeking industries with high potential that merge long-term demand, minimal competition, and substantial government backing? While many pursue oversaturated markets, astute entrepreneurs are discreetly entering sectors that are forming the foundation of India's future economy. Today, we disclose 5 such industrial prospects and how to place yourself at the forefront. With over 30 years of experience aiding Indian businesses in accessing emerging sectors, our team has collaborated with policymakers, technocrats, and industrialists. We have produced hundreds of feasibility reports, regulatory frameworks, and project setups across high-growth sectors well before they became mainstream. What we present today is supported by government data, market forecasts, and real-world manufacturing insights. 5. Saline manufacturing, the lifeline of healthcare. Saline, utilized in surgeries, emergency treatment, chronic illness care, and even home healthcare, is a vital, high-volume pharmaceutical product. Manufacturing requires pharmaceutical-grade purity, GMP compliance, and regulatory approvals. With India's healthcare market growing swiftly and demand for 4 fluids increasing, this industry, currently valued at $682, 4M, is anticipated to double by 2033. Why invest? Steady demand, regulatory transparency, and alignment with India's self-reliant healthcare initiative. 4. Potassium chloride production, crucial for agriculture. India imports approximately 3 to 4 million tons of potassium chloride each year, used in fertilizers such as MOP. This represents a $1 billion import gap waiting for domestic producers to address. Whether through chemical synthesis or mining, innovators entering this field could take advantage of substantial import substitution policies. A future-oriented investment, especially as India moves closer to agricultural self-sufficiency. 3. Decalcium phosphate, DCP, nutrition for livestock growth. DCP is vital for poultry, dairy, and aquaculture feed. With a market already valued at $40 billion and expanding at 7-9% CAGR, it's a fundamental input for India's rapidly modernizing animal husbandry sector. Production is straightforward and scalable, but the consistency of raw materials and quality standards are critical. Why now? Increasing protein consumption and the organized feed sector are propelling long-term growth. 2. Citric acid production, the powerhouse additive. Present in soft drinks, medicines, and even cosmetics, citric acid is a multifaceted compound with extensive industrial applications. India's demand is increasing, but a significant portion remains imported. Local production via fermentation processes offers considerable margins, particularly by utilizing domestic molasses and sugar sources. Simple technology, consistent repeat demand, and an import replacement opportunity render this appealing. 1. HDPE Pipe manufacturing, infrastructure's silent hero. Employed in everything from rural water supply to gas pipelines, HDPE pipes are essential to India's infrastructure expansion. The existing $50 billion market is growing due to initiatives like the Jal Jeevan Mission and urban development programs. Manufacturing is capital efficient, scalable, and linked to multi-year government investment cycles. Stable cash flow, government demand, and long-term project pipelines characterize this as a low-risk, high-reward sector. Each of these 5 areas shares common traits: increasing demand, government alignment, and opportunities for new entrants. The early participants in these sectors will be responsible for cultivating India's next generation of industrial success stories. From healthcare to agriculture, infrastructure to food processing, these sectors are not only profitable. And that's where we step in. With over 30 years of expertise, we've helped companies across India navigate and thrive in developing sectors by offering extensive support from thorough techno-economic feasibility analyses and in-depth market evaluations to planning for equipment and raw materials. process flow schematics, and complete financial projections, including ROI analysis. Whether you're in need of an off-the-shelf solution or something tailored specifically from the ground up, we adapt each phase to align with your goals and resources. If you're ready to convert data into insightful, actionable decisions, reach out to us via the phone number or email provided in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for regular updates on high-growth opportunities and future-focused industries. Your next major initiative begins here.